Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to dip into the Blendbunny Cosmetics Sugar and Grunge palette and create a colorful eye look. And I got 2 of 3 lippies. So if you would like to see what I create, these lippies, and my thoughts, you know what to do. Just keep on watching. So how is everyone? I'm doing fine. I only put on my foundation and my bronzer. I figured I would finish my face with you guys. And I did my brows. And like I said in the beginning, I picked up 2 of the Blendbunny Cosmetics lippies. And we are going to work in some more colors from this beautiful palette. So let's jump in. Let's get some eye primer on these lids. And today I am going in with the Clean Canvas Eye Base by Gerard Cosmetics. This is my ride or die. So let's get that on the eye. So I'm going in with Fair, and I will leave a link in the description where you can purchase anything from Gerard Cosmetics. And if there's not a sale going on, you can save 30% using my code BelindaMua. I'll put that across the screen. Okay, I'm going to swatch both lips. These are the 2 that I got. And I think I'm going to go in with that one. Guys, Blendbunny, her formula on these lipsticks or lippies are so smooth. I wish she had a whole line of neutrals. That's Sweetheart. And then we're going to swatch Moody. I didn't get the darkest one because I don't wear real dark tone lipsticks. So that's why I didn't get it. Oh, this one's nice. So that is Moody. And this is Sweetheart. I don't know. Let me see what look I do, and then we will. But these go on so smoothly. They're so soft. They're satin. They feel like they're satin when they go on, but then they dry down matte and they last. Oh, love them. Let's dig into this palette. I think I'm gonna go on with Baggy Jeans. That one. In the outer part of the crease. If I have enough time, I'll finish my face on camera. A friend of mine's like, you always come on with your face done. So I might finish that with y'all and blend that out. So I'm not going to bring all of that pigment through the crease. I'm just going to bring a wash of it through here. I'm going to get a skin tone eyeshadow just to blend out the tip, like right in here. So I'm gonna get a skin toned eyeshadow, and I guess I'll get this Bear out of the Sigma Angela Bright one. Just gonna pick up a little bit, you can barely see it, and we're gonna blend right here. You can use a skin tone foundation, you can use like a powdered foundation, you can use a skin toned eyeshadow, you can use translucent powder. There we go. I had other pigment on that refer brush that I picked up and it made it look a little muddy. So I had to fix that. I'm gonna go over and put Baggy Jeans in the other crease and we'll be right back. Okay guys, now I'm back. Now you can see that I built up more pigment out here than I did in here, because I don't want this to be really bright teal in the front, because we are going to cut the crease and we're going to put some more pastel shades down. So now I want to go into the detention, this purple right here, and I am going to build that up in the outer third and make kind of like a wing, but it's not going to be a wing. It's the perfect brush for out in the outer third of your eye. So I'm going to take the E27, and I've already loaded it with detention, and we're going to draw a line like that. There we go, just like that. I think I'm gonna fill it in just a little bit. Sigma E36 and blend. Right in the crease. By Gerard Cosmetics. Because I'm going to go in with the lightest colors. So I'm going in with a ABH 18, the cut crease brush. Put a little bit on my brush, and then I'm going to press it on the back of my hand because I don't want a lot of that base on my eye. Just a wash. And then I'm going to tap it at the edge so it's not a lot built up, and on the top. Okay, now that we have the cut crease down, I'm going to go back into detention and straighten up the outer part of the lid. And I am going to deepen that teal too. Where'd it go? I'm going to take this brush that I used before, and I'm just going to blend out the edges. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the Refer 28, and we're going to pick up Baby T, this one right here. We'll load up our brush, and we're going to bring it right here at the edge of the purple. Then I want to go into the green. Yeah, we're going to go into that one. I hope it looks good, guys. Yeah, I like it. And I'm just going to build it up until I get the intensity that I want, which it looks like 2 dips is going to be. Oh, that is so cute. I like that. I should have intensified that turquoise one a little bit more. I am going to go into Candy, this one right here, and I am going to work it right in here. Just a little bit. Oh yeah, I like that. I wasn't for sure what all colors I was going to use. And I'm going to take the brush that I'm going to take this brush right here, and I'm dipping into Candy, that turquoise. And we're going to come right here in the inner part. And we're going to blend. And then I'm going to take that skin tone shadow and go right above that just to help blend it out a little bit, just like we did the other one. And I'm going to take either a black or a white liner across the or the lash line. I'm going to take that white liner right there and go across the top lash line, because we don't have to do a wing. So we're going to do the waterline. And this is the Makeup Geek Full Spectrum Liner in Ivory. Now I'm just taking a lash definer brush and I'm working that. Got a couple minutes to work that liner in. I think I'm going to take that purple down here. Detention. And we're going to press that in to the bottom lash line. And then I'm going to go into Baby T and Sweetheart and blend that out. And I do have a green shimmer I want to put right here, but it's not from this palette, it's from another palette, but I'm just going to use it as inner corner and brow bone. Just Punch palette. And this green right here I think would look really good in the inner corner. Shop Miss A brush in F16. These are the best little inner corner highlight, brow bone highlight brushes. That's what I use them for. So I'm going to place that right here. We're doing a full matte look today, guys. God, I don't know how long it's been since you got one of those from me. I love shimmer so much. Shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. And glitter. I don't like chunky glitter. I hate it. I like the really thin glitter. The small micro glitter. There we go. We finish the eye, or the face, and then we'll be finished. I'm going to go into this Hoola bronzer. Into one of the Blendbunny palettes for blush. And I want to use a purple blush today. So I think I'm going to go into Sticky Sweet from the Blendbunny Juicy Cheeks palette. And they're saying if you don't take your blush up under your eye, you're doing it wrong. So we're going to try that today. So we're taking that baby right up underneath that eye, the corner of the eye. That is a beautiful blush. And I'm going to go in with Melrose Place Lip Liner by Gerard Cosmetics, and we're going to go in with that Sweetheart lip, I guess. Yeah, we're going to go in with this lipstick. So here is the lip. Ooh, I love that lip. Wait a minute. I think I picked up the purple one again. Let's see. I need to use this one next because it didn't look really dark on the lips. So, gosh. Her formula is so So good. I love it. Now I'm going to go in with the Cookie Highlighter by Benefit. Mint chocolate chip. Okay guys, that is the end of this tutorial with the Blendbunny Sugar and Grunge palette. A colorful look for your feed. Let me know if you liked this look. What do you think about the two lips that I got and showed you? And would you wear this? I don't know. I'm loving it. Anything Blendbunny Cosmetics that you would like to check out, I do have a code to save you 10% at checkout, and it is BelindaMua. I do not make any money off of it. It's just a discount code for you guys, and I just wanted to share that with you. So I am going to go and take some pictures of this. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you smash that like button. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature woman, then please hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.